Chris Orm's the name, smart home is the game. Today we're going to be talking about if you should start your smart home as a do-it-yourself smart home, or if you should hire a pro to help you out. So prior to 2010, when the introduction of Nest came out and the introduction of Ring in 2013, smart homes were really reserved for the upper class. These people had to spend at least $10,000, hire a pro just to get some smart home features within their home. This all changed with the introduction of Ring and Nest, and now smart homes are becoming more popular and more standard for the average consumer. Today, I'm going to share 3 reasons why you would want to do it yourself, and I'll share 3 reasons why you would want to hire a pro. Let's dive into these reasons, shall we? All right, so let's start off the DIY list. So the first reason is going to be that you only want specific products that fit your lifestyle and will add true value to your life. Let's say you only want one smart home product, and that's a smart doorbell, because people are always stealing your packages or you're always missing people when they're coming to your door. You can just buy that one product, install it, and then move on. Or let's say you just want a thermostat that'll add value to your life. You can do just those 2 products and continue to move on without having a whole system integration. All right, so let's go over number 2, why someone would start a DIY smart home, and that's because you have a limited budget. So anyone under $2,500, anyone that wants to just spend a couple $100s to get some cool products that'll add some value to their home, put you into the 21st century and give you some technological advantages, the DIY route is the one for you. You want to make sure that you're staying within budget and you're not going to these high-end complex systems and you're not having to pay for professional labor. The DIY route is the clear choice in that realm. And let's go over the 3rd reason why someone would want to do a DIY smart home. And that's because you're tech savvy, you understand technology, you're not intimidated by the installation factor, and you just want to do it yourself. Being technologically savvy means you kind of grew up with the internet, you're handy with phones, you're handy with computers, kind of like myself. I'm the go-to smart home guy, the go-to technology guy for my friends and family. I'm not intimidated by technology, so I've started my smart home myself and I've installed all the products. It has been a little bit intimidating, but you can move past that with tutorials on YouTube. So that's reason number 3. All right, so now let's go over 3 reasons why you would want to hire a professional. And reason number 1 is you're intimidated by all this. I'm not getting on the ladder to install surveillance cameras at my house. I'm not getting on the ladder to install ceiling speakers. That's way too intimidated. I'm not cutting through drywall. I'm not doing any of that. I'm going to hire a pro, leave it to the experts, leave it to the professionals, and they can set up my smart home for me. That's a great way to go about it. Let's go over number 2, why you'd want to hire a professional. This is because the more complex your system gets, the more complicated it becomes, and the more likely chance that things go wrong. When you start adding different layers, different categories, and different brands into your smart home system, things become extremely complicated, and it may not always be a workaround. In fact, a lot of times we have to, make something happen and make it work where it wasn't originally supposed to work. So that's where you're going to want to hire someone with experience, someone that has the knowledge to get everything to work together in one complex system. The 3rd and final reason why you'd want to hire a pro to help build your smart home is because you want access to dealer-only products. So the way that the custom integration industry works is that the manufacturers sell directly to the custom integration businesses. They're B2B. And then the custom integration businesses will work directly with the clients to install their smart home products. So many products aren't available to generic consumers. If you wanted to go online and get a really fancy projector or a really fancy projector screen, you wouldn't be able to by some of the main top manufacturers in the field. They only sell to businesses. So if you want some of these products, so for instance, you want a Savant system, you want a Screen Innovation screen, anything like that, you're going to need to hire a pro. You're going to have to go through a dealer, a custom integration dealer, and you can find a list of those in your area based on the CEDIA website. So I'll link that Find My Dealer locator navigator through the CEDIA website below, and that's how you can start your smart home if you want to hire a pro and you have the money to spend. So I hope this video has been helpful. I hope it's given you some good ideas where you stand. I can't tell you exactly what to do, but I can definitely help guide you based on the facts that I've presented in this video. So if you got some value from this video, drop a like down below, subscribe for more smart home content coming soon, and follow me on Instagram. I'm posting on there every single day. Thanks for watching, you guys, and we will see you in the next one. More content coming soon.